It's been said that it's what's in the back that counts, and it's definitely true that what's in your background can make or break a shot. Are you ready to start offering client sessions within a commercial studio, on location, or even at home for your photography or videography business? If you are, I know the list of essential gear can seem overwhelming when browsing through online forums and tutorials on how to get started. I'm here to tell you that one decision will be easy: choosing your backdrops. Savage Seamless Background Paper has been the ideal option for creating smooth, high-quality backgrounds for a wide range of applications spanning across the photo, video, art, fashion, and design industries for many decades. So why has Savage gained the trust of creatives worldwide over the years? Let's talk about a few of the main advantages of working with this unique product for photo and video applications. Savage Seamless Paper is one of the most cost-effective solutions for creating smooth and attractive backgrounds for portraits, interviews, and other video work. Clean, simple, yet vibrant background sets often make the biggest statement and are especially popular for fashion and commercial photography. Seamless Paper achieves this sought-after look easily. With 65 colors available, options run from the basics like white, gray, and black to the exotics and just about anything in between. Think bright fuchsia, soft lavender, and warm mocha, just to name a few. Color theory plays a huge part in set design for many photographers, and the background plays an important role in tying your theme together. By working with colored paper on set, you can give yourself a chance to experiment in the moment and build off new color theory ideas during a creative session and decrease extra editing work afterwards. Sizes range from about 2 feet wide up to 12 feet wide for select colors. The most common sizes used in studio photography are the 53-inch by 36-foot size, which is about 4.5 feet wide. And that's ideal for headshots and up to 3/4 body shots. The 107-inch by 36-foot, which is about 9 feet wide, offers more flexibility for small groups or models that require a lot of movement. Select colors are available in a mid-size of 86 inches by 36 feet, as well as an extra-wide 140 inches by 105 feet. For small tabletop and product photography, the 26-inch by 36-foot wide paper is recommended as it's the perfect size for shooting small products that don't require large studio space. This size is also the most economical option, making it great for cutting out shapes for use in art projects and displays. Savage Seamless Paper is thick and neatly core-wound on a sturdy cardboard core. It sweeps out smoothly onto your set in seconds. No steaming, no prepping needed. And I know that's music to any photographer's ears. So how and when is seamless paper most popularly used? 1. To provide clean, professional-looking backdrops for headshots and portrait photography. 2. To eliminate distracting backgrounds for interviews and video work. 3. To create vibrant, creative sets for fashion and commercial photo shoots. 4. To create custom displays, art and craft projects, banners, posters, and even retail design. If you just got your hands on your first roll of Savage Seamless, we'll leave you with a few key tips for making sure you have the best experience with your new backdrop. First, store it in dry spaces. Check the environment of your storage and workspace for issues with humidity. Paper stored and used in humid conditions will absorb moisture from the air, which can form wrinkles in the material. Second, have a few clamps handy. Clamps are an important accessory for paper rolls. A full roll of seamless paper is thick and heavy, and if a user pulls it out quickly, the roll may continue to unwind for several extra feet. Secure a clamp to the top of both ends of a roll to keep it in place and secure. Clamps are very inexpensive tools that can be found at any hardware store. Third, sweep onto a flat, hard surface. Your paper backdrops can crinkle and tear once your model steps foot onto it if it's swept out onto a soft carpet or uneven flooring. This can cause your backdrop to go from seamless to unsightly. Fourth, clean your shoes first. Clean your feet or think twice about walking across the paper. Dirty footprints can show up in your images, especially with the light-colored paper. 5. Find a friend when handling wide rolls. Having an extra pair of hands can be very helpful in sliding your backdrop onto a support system, clamping and rolling it up evenly. 6. Store vertically. The recommended way to store backdrop rolls is vertically. This will prevent any sagging of the inner core that can occur over time if laid horizontally for long periods. This is especially important for the larger, heavier background sizes. 7. Recycle. Lastly, always remember to recycle. When it's time to roll out a fresh sheet of paper, cleanup is simple. A sharp utility knife is the best tool to help you cut a clean, straight edge and just toss the used paper in the recycling bin and you're done. Next time you're looking for a cost-effective, professional quality seamless background or just love experimenting with colors in your creative projects, think Savage Seamless Paper.